In this video, I'm going to teach you about bias and how it applies to data samples. So if we have a problem here that says Natasha picked 8 flowers throughout each flower bed in her backyard. Each flower bed is the same size. Is this sample of flowers in the backyard likely to be biased? So in a biased sample, some people or items are more likely to be chosen than others. That's what biased means. So, more likely to be chosen than others. So, sampling bias, when the group you collect data from doesn't represent the whole population. So, when you're sampling something and you're collecting data and it doesn't represent the whole population, that's a sampling bias. So if it is not random, that means it's biased. It is a built-in push that tilts every result the same way. So that's what bias is. It is not random. So you're doing things not randomly. And because of that, there's a built-in tilt to the results. Okay. So finally, since Natasha divided the flowers into equal-sized groups by flower bed and then chose an equal number of flowers from each, then this is a representative sample. It is not likely to be a biased sample. So she randomly chose from each of the flower beds. So that means this sample is not biased. And that's it. That's the basic introduction to bias in data sets. And or if you don't understand that right away, you could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening and please make sure to like and subscribe.